More prep work, doing all the scraping. Right after we power wash, this is the first step we do. We sand and scrape all the siding. But right now we're still doing all the prep work. We're caulking everything. We're repairing all this old wood that's rotted out. We're covering all the windows. Fine caulking and everything. Hola, gran. Ojo, amigo. ¿Qué hubo? Covering everything up. This is the main house. Pergola, we're gonna paint this too. We're gonna do this. This is the guest house. That's the laundry room. We're gonna do that too. All these little repairs. All right, so once we do all the sanding and scraping on this historic home, we come back with the exterior primer. It's best we hit it with the brush because it really gets into the wood. If you spray or use the airless, it's not going to penetrate the wood too good unless you brush it or roll it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to spot prime all the raw wood areas, come back and apply some caulking on just on the areas where it needs it. These historic homes don't take a lot of caulking like the newer ones because they want that like antique look. Okay, now we're doing all the trim work. Painting all the trim first in this house, and then we're going to cover up all the white and come back and do the body. Está en acción el alacrán. Alright, so on this project we actually prepped and painted all the trim first. As you can tell, all the white's already completed. So now we're fixing to repaint the body. So we're gonna mask off all the windows and all the white that we previously painted, and we're gonna come back and then we're gonna paint the body the siding color. It just really depends how I want to tackle a project. Sometimes, for example, if I would have did it reversed, if I would have painted the body first, and we're going to be spraying, you know, the majority of this project. So if I would have painted the body first, then we would have to cover the body to paint the trim, unless we actually paint it with a brush and with the roller. But we're trying to, so now we're painting all the body of this historic home. That foundation's gonna get hit too, bro.
Mándeme.
The foundation?
Simón.
Yeah. The stucco? So the trim and the body has been painted already. And we do it this way because this particular project, to me, it just was easier to do it this way. Sometimes we may paint the body first and then paint the trim afterwards. It just really depends if we're spraying it, if we're brush and rolling it. That's it, guys. We got some touch up to do, but for the most part, that's about it. Alright, so we painted all the trim and the ceilings and the siding, and this railing's done. Now we're prepping these exterior doors, getting ready to paint these. As you can tell, we're going to use the airless paint sprayer. This is why we got the walls covered up. And now we're just going to sand them down, dust them off, wipe them down with some microfiber cloth, and then and repaint them. When I spray it, dogs, so I'm gonna do the door last. I'm gonna do the frame.
That way you don't get that little.
I gotta open it up a little bit, bro.
Oh.
Left a little bit of shield on this side. I'm going to hit it right now. Ya me rocaba, ¿sabes?
Hoy nomás, bien enculado.
Completed. I ain't gonna lie, guys, this job took us 3 weeks. It was a lot of work. These homes are a lot of work, man. A lot of prep work, a lot of sanding, a lot of scraping, primer, caulking. That's it. We're gonna do some epoxy concrete coating on this concrete floor, but that's not gonna be till about, you know, a couple weeks or a month from now. This is actually a bed and breakfast house. This is the main house, but I'm gonna show you guys the carriage house. It's back here. Doors are done. It's the back of the house. Okay, so this is the carriage house we did as well. They rent all these rooms out too, so did that pergola right there as well. Did the decks, exterior doors, and we also did the laundry room. Let's go upstairs. That's it. We're off to an inside job now. What's left, bro?
That's it,
That's all.